Hey guys, welcome to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today I'm excited to show you an all-new set of Bluetooth headphones. Now, this was sent over by YiLuxr, a company that makes a lot of different headphones, and particularly these here are Bluetooth sports earphones. Now, they actually last 8 hours, and they're priced at $15.99. So literally, it's actually a great deal for a great amount of technology. And if you want your very own, be sure to check out the link down below in the description. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox these things and see what they're all about. Alright, so this here's our box. It's actually a very simple casing. So just go ahead and opens up just like this. And we have ourselves a quick little instruction manual kind of guiding you exactly how to go ahead and pair it up via Bluetooth. Literally just go ahead and hold the on button until it starts blinking, red and blue I believe, and then you just go ahead and connect on your phone. Now here is the actual case itself. Wow, that actually looks really unique. So you got a nice looking carbon fiber print, and then you got this red stitching, or in terms of the lacing, goes going across. And you just go ahead and open it up just like this. And there you have it. Here is our headphones. We got a few other things in here as well. So we have ourselves a charging cable, and then we have ourselves some different adapters depending on your ear size. So you just go ahead and plug them in and then choose them that way. Now let's go ahead and open this up. Whoa, check it out. So these here are our Bluetooth headphones. This is really crazy. So literally this here is a master switch. So you got your volume control as well as the power button. Just go ahead and hold that down and then it should turn on. There we go. So now it's connecting to your Bluetooth, and then these here are the earplugs themselves. So it's actually a really cool design, definitely very unique. So they go inside your ear, and yeah, you know, these are perfect for like sportswear or just if you're going out somewhere. Definitely think it, you know, makes it a lot less straggling in terms of having a wire around with you, and sometimes having just the earbuds them alone, like the Apple ones, are actually quite hassling because you might lose them. So overall, a great quality piece, and I definitely love the color as well as the design. So yeah, let's go ahead and try them on. Alright, so it actually feels quite interesting. They really do block out a lot of sound, so I really don't know how loud I'm talking. Now, in terms of the control use, it's actually really simple. If you just want to go ahead and change something, just go ahead and take them off, or you can just go ahead and even leave it on the front here, and then you just play with the dial right here in terms of the volume control. But overall, for the price itself, they're actually really nice. And definitely they have a very nice sporty feel to them, especially if I'm going to go ahead and work out. These here are a very good deal. Now, especially for the price itself compared to other Bluetooth headphones, I would have to say this is very fairly priced, especially with the quality of the sound. It's actually not that bad. It does have a good amount of tremble, as well as very clear in terms of the quality of audio goes. Now overall, I do have to say it's actually pretty nice. You know, it's labeled left and right here, just so you guys know, in case you're wondering which one goes in which. And yeah, very unique design and very cool nonetheless. Now, if you guys had any questions about these particular headphones, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.